my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today we are doing a super fun vegan summer recipe collaboration with some of my favorite vegan influencers. So, G. Scott, I'm going to insert their little clips in here and let them tell you what they're going to make, which will be linked in the description below, which you guys should totally check out after you watch this video. Oh my god, I'm dying. Have I told you lately in my videos that it's a heat wave up in here? 106 degree, 1,000,000% humidity. Oh my god. I'm making a vegan Mexican street corn recipe, or an elote. And I don't know, what else do I have to say? Oh, if you want to help support this channel, you can donate via PayPal to Midnight Munchies and more at yahoo.com, which will be below. Every single dollar helps you guys. And if you don't have any money to give and you want to do something free to help a sister out, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, watch the ads on this video and all of my other videos, and that will help YouTube be like, this channel, this lady out here. All right, let's jump right into it. While the grill is getting heated up, or actually a fire. Oh, I'm already dirty. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and use the fire because I'm out of coals. We're going to go ahead and mix up what we're going to put on top of it. That way it can kind of hang out in the fridge for a little bit while we're grilling our corn, okay? Feel me? So I got some mayonnaise that I made yesterday. And I'm going to grab about a half a cup of that. Put her in my bowl. Oh my god, I love homemade mayo. It's so easy. If you guys haven't seen that video, totally watch it because it's seriously so cheap, because you just use the brine from a can of chickpeas. Like, you know what? Okay. Also, I'm going to use half a cup of vegan sour cream. You know, I'm out here with the Wayfair. So let me just measure her out. I'm sorry, I didn't pre-measure everything for y'all. Mama, half cup. Okay, put her in there. Then we have the zest and juice from a whole lime. We also have about a quarter of a cup of minced cilantro. And then I have 1/4 of a teaspoon each of garlic powder and chipotle powder. Oh no, girl, we gotta get some extra chipotle in there. And we're just gonna mix her up until she's well combined. What is happening? Well combined, and I'm gonna pop her into the refrigerator and let those flavors really marry. And then we'll grill our corn, you know what I'm saying? Before we get crazy with the corn, let's check in with Scott.
Hey there, Charisse, and all of you awesome Midnight Munchies and more viewers. I love doing collaborations with some of my favorite YouTubers, and I'm super excited about this collab because I got weenies, I got onions, I got beans, I got ketchup. So you probably know where I'm going with this. I am making the most awesome vegan beans and weenies, and they're inspired by the 1983 horror flick, Sleepaway Camp. So after you're done watching Charisse's delicious recipe, please pop over to my channel and I'll serve you up some delicious vegan beans and weenies. Horror movie inspired.
We ran out of charcoal, so Greg started a fire in our fire pit for us, and we're using our vegetable tray, this long honking thing, and we're just gonna grill our corn this way, a couple minutes on each side until it's all the way cooked. Now, if you have a fire pit and you don't have one of these fancy things, you can just take the little grates from your grill and put them on top of the logs to grill something. We've done that before. That worked really well also. We're getting some fire mark, grill mark realness out here. All right, my babies, look at our corns. I'm so excited. So I got my sauce ready. Now I'm gonna use this brush. Really, you should use one of those like silicone brushes that are for like barbecues, or you can just spoon it on there. Like, that's what she said. Just, you know, all you're doing is you're doing a schmear. So you know what, sis? You schmear the way that you know how to schmear. You know what I'm saying? And then we're just gonna give her a little garnish of some extra chili powder. Do a little tappy, tappy, tappy. By the way, I don't just shake. When I garnish, I don't shake. I just like put the seasoning to the end and I do a little of this tappy action. I do that with like sprinkles and stuff too for cupcakes. I don't know, I just realized that was a little hint that like might actually be helpful to somebody. And then I'm gonna take a little bit more of some leftover fresh cilantro. Actually, no, you know what I'm gonna do first, honey? I almost forgot the best part. I can't believe I almost forgot the best part. Some follow your heart vegan Parmesan, because I don't know how to find a vegan Mexican cheese. So if you know, girl, just let me know. But I'm just gonna sprinkle some of this over there. And the heat of the corn has already started to melt that sauce down a little bit, help melt this parm a little bit. Oh my God, I'm so excited. And now we're gonna come in here with our little pieces of cilantro, and we out here like Pinterest too. And then I have some extra lime wedges we're gonna add to make her all like fancy. You guys, I am sweating in this sweltering heat, but like, tell me that don't look worth it, you know what I'm saying? So I've actually never had this recipe before vegan, and I kept seeing it everywhere, and I was so excited. And I'm gonna make a mess. Like, you ready for it, beats? Oh my God. Oh my God. I got my key grip over here with the paper towel. Unless this is a good look thumbnail. Okay. The like char. Oh my God, I cannot. Did I just look like I came back from quite a fun night? Is this a walk of shame video style? Okay. The fire grilledness of the corn with the like, I'm like looking at the plate, I'm like that creaminess with the, hold on, I got corn kernels on my team. Girl, that's the only thing about eating corn, right? You need a toothpick after that, honey. You got the fresh zest of that lime, that like, pop. You got the heat of the chipotle. The cilantro. Look, you don't have to do the cilantro, girl. Kind of fuck the cilantro. Like, if you're like, I don't like cilantro, like, I get it. Like, it's not my favorite. It gives a little something, but like, it's not my favorite. So if you don't want to put that in there, don't fucking put the cilantro in there, you know what I'm saying? Like, make it your own. And if you make my recipe, please share it on social media and take pictures. The full written recipe, as per usual, will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. And make sure that when you're eating this, you're not on a first date, because that shit messy. You got corn kernels, you choking, this, that, and the other. I'll get you next time.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.